Alright guys, me and Nasim we're gonna head to the storage place where my car is, and you see it's more brighter out. We'll be able to see it better, especially in the interior. I will be taking more pictures too, but stay tuned when we get there. I mean, he does a pretty good job at making it making it interesting and kind of not,
Oh man, we should have trying to start this.
just a good measure.
Yeah, we're good. That's okay.
We're back at the place. Look at it. Yeah, there's the
Yeah, we're gonna have to sand the whole thing down. There's a bigger done on the other side. This stuff's a little rough, sand that off. That's the only dent? Well, that's not bad.
Yeah, I mean, definitely fixable. Yeah. Kind of interesting that this thing has light, whatever you call them, wipers.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite part. I don't think it worked.
That's kind of funny.
Can't really do anything, but
Yeah. It somehow reminds me of that car when we were in it in the past.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
There's some of the same car. Where the fuck is the trunk thing?
The trunk thing.
Oh, here it is. Can't see it. Listen to the thump. It's the hallmark of a Mercedes Benz. Very heavy car, very well built.
See how she's doing on the inside. Wow. Yeah, the hood, the back of it needs a bit of fixing. So, what is what here?
Okay. This is where you check your oil.
The same. Anytime I saw this car, I always imagined it smiling. Just as I look to it. There's still stuff in here.
Alright, so this is your air intake. Okay, this air comes in.
Yeah.
The air filter goes in here, and it goes into there, and that's where it gets mixed. The fuel gets mixed with the air, because fuel, gasoline, it's just like liquid. It doesn't burn. It's a liquid. It has to be vaporized, mixed with air. That's what makes it flammable.
Yeah.
So it goes and gets mixed with the fuel, And these are the intakes. This takes the fuel mixture, the air fuel mixture, sends it into each cylinder.
I think a long time ago I remember watching a video.
We take this cap off, we have to take the air filter, that off, and that's where the what we call coils are going to be in spark plugs. Probably need to replace them all. And that's what. And then under there is where your pistons go up and down. 6 of them, 6 cylinders. That's what that is, basically.
Yeah, definitely could use some work, but.
Well, I mean, it could use maybe a little cleaning, but I think decent.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good clean.
Yeah. Huh.
You get in?
Yeah, I'll get into the walls. Yeah, because this is what I was like this thing.
It's just a piece of the
Yeah. The miles on this thing is about that much.
Yeah, this thing's
Someone just like went.
Yep, ripped that's all right off.
There's the pennies left in there. Yeah.
Story cassette tape.
Yeah. What a relic from the past.
True story.
Story, yeah.
Where's the other? Yeah, there's the console.
There's the console?
Yeah, there's the piece.
Huh. So that would be like. Huh.
And you can see something that Mercedes-Benz does. This is all the little shit that goes into Mercedes that nobody really even knows or thinks about. See how it's not just a block of wood. It's a bunch of layers, and they do that for safety. Because if you get in an accident, it doesn't then splinter and create just a big chunk that it'll split, so it's not as it won't kill you.
Huh.
Yeah. See, look at that. A bunch of little layers.
Yeah.
That's what adds to the cost, but it's extremely safe. Little shit like that.
What is this? This box thing.
What?
What is this for?
That's a drink holder.
Huh.
I think it's aftermarket. I don't think that came on the car. It's Velcro.
Oh. Like Velcro? Huh. That's actually kind of nifty when you think about it.
Yeah. So put it back up.
Because back in the day, you didn't have. I don't think that this car really had a cup holder.
No, they didn't. Germans are really bad about that. So this. God, is it locked? Shouldn't be locked. Let's see. It's got on the side, on the door.
Huh. Oh, you can keep like envelopes and stuff in there.
That does lock. When you lock the car, those things lock.
Ooh.
And this, I think, lets you lock the glove box, and I think those two.
Huh.
Oh, there's your phone.
You're like.
There's the phone. If you want to. Sorry, it didn't work. It's pretty primitive. And I think here might be the speaker or something for it. There's your little mic.
Yeah. And there's the thing.
So this doesn't have a visor? Huh. I don't know where the visor went.
Kind of scared to move anything because I'm scared to break something. So. Oh,
like
shoot.
That?
That shit fell apart.
Right on cue.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, let's put it back up.
Yeah, you can tell this. Here's the other one.
I thought there was something here, no?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Not much on there.
Oh, there's the parking brake camera. Yep, so there it is. So what is this?
What is this one for?
I think I have them. That's the emergency brake.
Emergency brake.
Yeah, don't put it
Yeah. User. Pretty sure this one is for moving the car, and I'm pretty sure this one's the brake. I think.
on. Yeah, left's the brake, the gas is on the right. Don't push it.
Yeah. I mean, only with the key in. Without the key.
Yeah.
And other things.
Now I think the top is broken. You have to do it manually. I saw a video on how to do it. It's got like a bunch of like 12 little hydraulic cylinders all in the car to make it go down. I think it leaked, so we don't have any hydraulic fluid. I don't know if it's fixable or not, to be honest. It's not that hard to put the top down. I would imagine you would top down this.
Yeah.
That back window makes your place down.
Yeah, that look good.
Not good. Ben. Oh, and the roll bar. Oh, did I tell you about the roll bar? How it's automatic? Maybe you saw that on the video. But yeah, the car, if it's down, you can put it up if you want. But if you have it down, if it senses that the car is going to get off the ground, the roll bar automatically snaps up in a half second. That's why you can't have anybody back there.
Yeah. Alright, look at it.
Heavy doors.
See what's in the trunk.
The burglar's miss.
There's
Probably the best part of the car. Oh yeah, this thing doesn't stay out.
a tarp or something.
Yeah, this is pretty old. That's what they missed.
Where's that?
It's an amplifier.
Yeah.
They're really loud. When you hear those cars that go boom, 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 that's what it is. You can let it go. Listen to the thumb. But seriously, that's a heavy freaking car. So those two tires hold air. How's the tread on them? Can you see the tread? Does it have
I mean, yeah, they look fine to me. These ones are fine.
Get it home.
I mean, maybe this one may need a, these two, but the other side.
Yeah, we just need to fill them up with air. They'll probably hold air.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Pretty cool. Yeah. That's potential. Time to reveal a car of the relics.
There's the trunk for it, the red trunk.
Yeah.
Those two doors are off another.
Yeah.
This is it. Yeah, those are all the panels that you saw in the garage.
Yeah.
The interior panels. Just gotta put them back on. Yeah, the seats over there, I think. Put the seats in, bolt them in.
I think that's a good bad.
What's that?
There also needs to be two up there, so I can
Yeah, I gotta put carpet in too. So, yeah, you can see where the metal was welded in. That gray piece, that was the new metal. And the whole floor was welded in there. It was all gone.
Yeah. These are the kind of wheels that you would see in the back in the day.
So, the motor. So this is, remember you saw the air part in the other car, your Mercedes? This is what that is. So the air goes in here, goes into the carburetor. We had a spare carburetor sitting at home. But that's what pulls in the air. And the fuel comes here. It's the fuel line, so it comes in here, just mixes the air with the fuel, vaporizes it, and sends it, and this is what sends it into the 8 different cylinders. It's called the intake manifold.
Yeah.
And these are your cylinders here, your pistons are in there, they go up and down. And this is your distributor. That is what sends the electricity to each of the cylinders.
Yeah.
See how it's got 8 little points?
Yeah.
There's a little, what's called a rotor inside there that's spinning around. And it makes contact. It goes super fast and it makes contact here. And it'll like send the signal through the cable into the spark plug. And it's super timed. As soon as the piston's up here, the spark hits and then it fires the gas mixture, sends it back down. That takes the power. Here's the air conditioning unit. So air conditioning. That's how it works. Here's some boxes.
Oh, I see where the convertible part comes from. This thing.
What's that?
I didn't at first realize this was a convertible. I thought it was just a car from the 70s, and this is apparently the thing.
Yeah, that's the one that goes up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see the tops all shredded. There's pieces of it over there too. I need a new top. Not cheap, but it needs to be done. Boy, what are we gonna do here?
Yeah, it's basically a rundown. A legendary car. The shell of what may be one of the, if most, badass cars that there has ever been made. Are you planning to do anything with it? This one has to go for big bucks online somewhere. That's some. Pretty cool. Huh. That's a very interesting.
Go up and down. The pistons go up and down. That's no drive and go. Perfect fit. Of all new parts. This was welded on. New doors.
How could someone let something like this, like, go in disrepair?
What's that?
How can someone let something like this get in disrepair in the first place?
Oh, you know, it sits for years and years, you know, because when they let it sit, when they just parked it, it wasn't very valuable, you know, and then they appreciate over time, and somebody's like, oh, I got one of those sitting out back, it's been sitting there for 20 years. They're like, yeah, I'll sell it for a few $1,000s, and you got to get all new stuff.
Oh.
Not cheap. Yeah, this is it. I don't know if you remember at home in the garage, there's that thing that's laid out on the crate. That's the front suspension for it. It's all new, brand new suspension. That's the old suspension. Nasty drum brake. These tiny little shock absorbers. We've got it all cooped up in his engine.
This is the type of car that they have in Fast and Furious. Probably at least has appeared in there at one point.
What's that?
This has to be
Oh,
some-
Fast and Furious. Yeah, it was. You're right. 68 Charger. That big thing sticking out of the hood. Yeah. Have you watched the movies?
Pretty sure I saw the first one.
Yeah, they're good. Yeah, this is what Don drove. More than one.
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah, I gotta move this one too.
What are you planning? Okay,
I
so
don't know where I'm putting this one. I don't know yet.
yeah, but
Yeah.
what are you? If you get to the point where you start working on this one, what are you planning to paint it?
Purple?
Purple.
Dark purple with a black top. Yeah, but I've got most of the parts. Just let it sit. You guys look down, I really didn't do much of it.
Oh.
That's just up with it now.
I feel like maybe juggling a bit too many projects at once.
Yeah, they're all coming together.
There's the legendary car.